Hello guys, so nandito tayo ngayon sa MOA Block 16. Nagsiset up tayo for ito na Metro Manila 10 miler, Pasay Lake. So, set up pa lang tayo. So, this time mamimili tayo ng chia pudding and then magbebenta tayo ng chia fresca. So, chia ano siya, drink. Ikot mo yung pinaka ano niya, pole.
Sige, lapit pa dito. Yan, okay ang ginawa niyo yan. Sige sir, dito ka pa. Okay. Ayan, sige, okay lang yan. Okay, ready? O, tingin lang dito.
Sun damage,
okay,
whether indoors or outdoors, can cause skin damage. That's why you need UV sunscreen. Dual action UV defense with glutamate niacinamide.
For our bronze sponsors, we have Galinko, Katinko, Chef on the Diet, Be Healthy.
Kaya pala Lebron ang pangalan mo eh. With Rexona Ice Cool, stay cool in the heat of the game.
Joshua Garcia. Hi po. Morning po. Morning po. Morning po. Good morning. Good morning po. Good morning po. Good morning po. Good morning po.
Your fastest 10-miler, 1 hour, 8 minutes, 41 seconds. Maricar Camacho.
Ito yung bagong product natin, chia fresca. We have strawberry coconut, honey lychee, passion fruit, and milky mango.
Miss Ariana Umani of Rexona, of course, is taking photos with our fastest runners for 10 miler.
Maricar, congratulations. See you in Muntinlupa and every other race that's going to be happening for Run Rio.
Okay.
Gusto yung Pasay Lake. Gusto yung sold out yung chia pudding natin na 2,500 pieces. Then yung bago nating product, Chia Fresca, medyo marami din talagang bumili. Nag-overheat yung L300 natin. So waiting tayo ngayon sa tow truck. Dito na yung tow truck natin. Doon tayo nakapark. Sige. Sige. So ito tow na yung L300. $7,500 for the towing service. Kanina kasi nung papunta kami ng picturean mo kuya. Ito, nasend ko na naman na. Papunta tayo dito sa MOA grounds. Umuusok siya. And then nung papasok na tayo ng entrance, namatay na yung makina. So parang nung tinignan ni Kuya Ron, may hose na natanggal from radiator. Next leg natin is Muntinlupa, July 6. Kita-kits ulit tayo dun guys.